Thanks for your time, sir. How do you see these political crises in Balochistan? Would you survive? Very challenging.
Political scenarios have always been very tough for political figures and parties. And I think so, unless and until you don't go through such phases, political parties don't mature enough. They don't really come up with the right people who stand for the stability of party and governments. So I think so it has been a very learning curve for us. We have gone through this 1 month and a lot of conspiracies, a lot of efforts have been put in to destabilize Balochistan Awami Party.
Conspiracies by whom? Within party? Outside party?
It has been from both sides. I think so parties which really see Balochistan Awami Party as a threat, because for the last 3.5 years with the provincial and the federal government have been doing a lot of work, development work, progress, changing governance methodology and doing a lot of things which could have been a challenge for, I must say, many parties which exist from a very long time in Balochistan. And within party, I would say from those people who have always been non-serious players, who have not really taken party as serious or their long-term party. So I would say this is a very natural phenomena. It happens. It's a very organic growth which Balochistan Awami Party is having. And as time will cross, as time will pass by, we'll see more people coming in with more matureness, more stability and more strength, inshallah.
After this no confidence motion, I mean, there are rumors that you are going to resign.
No, there's no such thing. We stand by. Alhamdulillah, in politics, there's no such thing as resigning and going back.
There is mounting pressure on you.
That's part of politics. You know, that's how we face things, and that's a responsibility which I have to bear, mentally, physically, and as being the party head and as being the chief minister also.
Mentally, how you sustain encounter?
I would say Allah has been very kind. There's been, I've kept my faith, and I've kept my thinking that, you know, inshallah we'll go through this with support of a lot of friends, party members and everything. We have worked as a team, and alhamdulillah, inshallah we'll come out as a good successful team.
14 members, they signed over this no confidence motion, and 23 are in opposition. Opposition has already announced supporting these 14 members. Do you think you still enjoy majority in Balochistan Assembly?
When it comes to parliamentary affairs and giving your opinion on voting, we have seen things do change in Balochistan and Pakistan. A lot of people are aspirants to be really working hard to make this vote of no confidence as a success. But at the same time, I know a lot of people who are within that party, within that group, who don't want to see this because they don't want destabilizing this government which has done so much work for them. Yes, if there are some misunderstandings there that could have been cleared out, and while this 10 days, upcoming 1 week to 10 days, we will inshallah see a lot of those kind of people reverting back to their party stance and making sure, because we are a party, so if the party decides of not supporting something, they shall inshallah return back to the original stance.
Ministers are not attending their offices. So many people from remote areas of Balochistan, they are coming to civil secretary, and they return to their homes in frustration because no minister, no parliamentary secretaries, no advisor. Do you feel comfortable while sitting here?
There are like 14 people who have been on the other side, and close to 80% of the posts were with them. We had like ministers, we had like...
What went wrong? I mean, as you also said, that they were the people who were coming to you on daily basis. Rather, each hour they were coming to you. What went wrong?
Like I said in my press conference also, many people were misguided. Many people were not told that they're going to go to this extreme.
Misguided by whom, sir? Sorry for interruption.
Few of the members who are in that group. And I must say, there can be a lot of people who are from opposition. And there are some aspirant parties within the coalition, or one party I would say, which wanted to really misguide all these members and take another stance or a way forward to bring a political crisis in Balochistan.
Sir, thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.
Well, this was Chief Minister Balochistan, Jam Kamal Khan. He dispelled the impression that he is going to tender any resignation. Rather, he said that he is going to face this mounting political pressure. That's all from me. Back to the studio.